The controlling manager Florian Schulze is new to the company and will, from now on, be responsible for the monthly sales and target figures for 2 new sales regions. It's his aim to see that this data is regularly integrated into the reporting system within the shortest possible period of time. Department A intends to import sales and target figures for Sales Region A into the system. Said figures have to be manually corrected. Department B wishes to import sales and target figures for Sales Region B into the system. Department C has to check everything manually and to give a clearance in the reporting system so that the processing can be continued. There are 3 approaches to choose from. Approach 1. We'll handle everything using Excel. Everyone can understand Excel, but there's the problem of the data status versions. In view of so many files, does everybody actually work with the latest version? And when one department extends the Excel document by further columns, that has to be agreed on with all other departments. Otherwise, the subsequent data consolidation will give rise to problems, and that will mean overtime. He won't be able to leave his office anymore. Approach 2. We'll develop a clever program that will handle everything. But software development is costly and inflexible, and it will be ready in 6 months at the earliest, and then already outdated. For every change, the IT department will have to be deployed, and again, it will take a lot of time until a new version is available. Approach 3. We handle everything using our proven business intelligence system and Apparo Fast. Apparo Fast is the extension for reporting systems such as IBM Cognos or SAP Business Objects. And it even works without Business Intelligence System, only with Windows and Apparo Fast. Apparo Fast is completely integrated in your reporting system and makes for comfortable data management. For departments A and B, that means a consultant will learn about the technical requirements and develop a solution to be employed in all departments involved with Fast within a few hours. Business cases, including a plausibility check, are prepared for an Excel import, and there's a target data collection including checks and comments. The security is ensured. Data from Department A can only be viewed by the employees of Department A. The existing security system of the company is used without any additional expenditures. All of this will, of course, run on the web browser. There won't be any difficult installations at workstations, and the handling is so easy that actually no user training is required. The process will then look like this. A responsible person from Department A enters the data he's directly copied into Fast from Excel with copy and paste and closes with the status filed. The person in charge from Department C will have a look at the figures and wishes to ask a few related questions. He posts them with the data in a comment field and sets the status to question. The person in charge in Department A has no idea. He has to ask a colleague first. That's possible at the push of a button. The colleague will receive an automatically generated email containing all information associated with the case from Fast. She'll read it and send her answer to her colleague. The person in charge in Department A will now correct his figures, add another Excel document containing a detailed calculation to the file, and set the status to filed again. The person in charge in Department C will check the figures and set the status to completed, since now everything is correct. He quickly changes 2 product names as well. Since Apparo Fast always accesses the same master data, this change will be immediately effective for all departments. In the course of communications between 2 departments, nothing will be lost or forgotten, and the current status is immediately visible. It will always be traceable which data have been amended by whom and when. Everyone will only have access to the data he or she actually needs. Data structures can be changed and adjusted to the business conditions at any time, and files from Microsoft Office will be integrated. The technology is so flexible that Department A could be in London and Department C in Munich, or somewhere else in Europe or the US. Users wouldn't even realize that, since Apparo Fast supports different languages. And Florian Schulze can even conveniently view the daily progress of the data pool en route via BlackBerry. When all sales figures, target figures, and all data entered via Fast have arrived at the data warehouse, they can immediately be analyzed using the business intelligence system, since the reporting system has access to all data from Apparo Fast. Apparo Fast is flexible when the requirements and routines change or additional information is to be integrated. A user in the role of a designer may change the functionality in Fast at any time and, for example, prepare a comment history, add new columns, access data from other databases, etc. And no programming skills are required. Apparo Fast flexibly reads and stores all data and data links to commercially available databases such as Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, or IBM DB2. In the same way, data from other programs can be further processed without costly and complicated interfaces. Apparo Fast Edit uses existing security systems such as Microsoft Active Directory or LDAP. In this way, you can start without delay, and you don't have to assign labor-intensive authorizations to your employees first. In the end, the following issues are decisive for Florian Schulze. Fast Edit reduces the administration costs, increases the processing speed, and allows him to go home on time.